Hey guys, Spud here, hope you're good. Today I just wanted to give you a quick little video which I think will be really fun and useful for you. A lot of people find the intro to Rock and Roll by Led Zeppelin really difficult to count. So you don't need to overcomplicate it, it's just about understanding what to count and where to come in. You've probably heard the story that John Bonham was a massive Chuck Berry fan, and he's kind of taken the rhythm from the first breakdown in Johnny Be Good and he's coming in on the and after three. So if you were counting yourself in, you could go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and probably the stupidest I've ever looked on YouTube. Maybe not. So for me personally, I don't count it, I just kind of hum that breakdown from Johnny Be Good. I've seen people make videos and talk about this before, but I actually wanted to play it for you so you can see how it fits over the top. Now what I've done is I've put a count in going 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 3 and the ands are just kind of slightly less velocity, so you can still hear the main pulse going 1 and then the ands slightly quieter, and I've also put it on screen. So hope it helps, let me know. Hopefully you've learned something cool today. If you already knew it, that's great, but if not, like I said, it's just a quick little video to help simplify something that I think a lot of people overcomplicate. Just wanted to ask you guys a quick favor as well. YouTube tend to change their algorithms a lot. If you could go ahead and hit that bell next to the subscribe button, that just means you get a proper notification when I upload a video. As you know, I don't upload every day, so you're not going to be absolutely bombarded with notifications, but it just means that it really helps me out with the views. All right, sick. See you guys soon.